Kakapasok lang na balita, grabe, nagalit ang China sa ginawa ni BBM. Di lang daw kasi Pogo pinasara, sinuspinde pagawa nila ni Tulfo. Pinagkaisahan pa sila dito ng mga kongresista. Ayon sa ilan nating mangbabatas, hindi ibig sabihin pinatigil na ni BBM dito ang Pogo, ay ititigil na din nila ang pag-iimbestiga. Kung ang mismong president daw kasi ng PAGCOR ay di pa rin tumitigil sa pagpapa-operate dito ng China, babalang sususpendihin din daw sila, gaya ng ginawang pagsuspinde sa PUV modernization ni Senator Raffy Tulfo. Suspendidong sila daw gagawa dito ng jeep. Ngayon sususpendihin na din sila dito. Nagkaisa na dito mga kongresista.
I'm instructing PAGCOR to wind down the operations of all POGOs. Hindi ko po mawawind down yung mga illegal. Susunod po ako sa utos ng Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr.
Mailinaw natin kay Presidente. Yung sinasabi nyo kasi, POGO, ibaban, pero dahil binago nyo nga po yung guidelines, yung IGL will remain.
Po akong sinabing ganun.
Kahit
pero
yung Mr. Chair, tandali.
Opo.
Kahit
Wait. Order.
POGO and IGL are the same. Tama?
Yes, ma'am. Maliwanag po ang utos po ng Pangulo kung napakinggan po ng lahat.
Gusto naming maging legacy ito ng Pangulong Marcos Jr. Sisiguruhin ko natin na hindi makakakilos ang mga sindikatong kriminal sa pamamagitan ng POGO.
At least nakakatuwa dahil we all know na yung pong layunin po ng Presidente, ni Speaker at ng Kongresong ito ay iisa. So, kasi marami nagtatanong sa atin, nag-pronounce na ang Presidente na wala ng POGO. So, tigil na ang inyong hearing. Yun ang akala ninyo. Hindi kami titigil.
So, ibig ba sabihin niyan, Mr. Chair, hindi pa rin kumbinsido si Chair dito sa POGO at IGL na ibaban na according to the President.
So,
wait. Order. Reminder sa ating mga resource speaker, while the members still have the floor, refrain from okay. Go ahead, Congressman Nana.
So yun na nga po, kaya ang sinasabi ko, kina-clarify ko lang once and for all. Kasi kahapon kasi sinabi ni Presidente yung POGO. So, POGO and IGL are the same. Tama?
Yes, ma'am.
Kaya po, pag nagrekomenda kayo kay Presidente, sabi ko nga, mailinaw natin kay Presidente. Baka yung sinasabi nyo kasi, POGO, ibaban, pero dahil binago nyo nga po yung guidelines, yung IGL will remain. So, yun po yung magiging
Congresswoman
logic.
Castro,
yes.
Wala po akong sinabing ganun. Ako po, kausap, in fact, kaliliwanag lang ni Congressman Dan, ang chairman, maliwanag po ang utos po ng Pangulo kung napakinggan po ng lahat. I'm instructing PAGCOR to wind down the operations of all POGOs. Congresswoman Castro, hindi ko po mawawind down yung mga illegal dahil wala na po sa jurisdiction ko yun. Pero yung mga nasa jurisdiction kong 43, maliwanag po yun. Kailangan ko i-wind down na po yun. So definitely, Congresswoman Castro, I am not, may sinabi po kayong I am in disagreement. Hindi po. Binanggit ko rin po yun sa huling hearing natin. Susunod po ako sa utos ng Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. At maliwanag po yung utos na yung kagabi.
Kahit na ibahin niyo po, Mr. Chair, tandali. Kaya sinabi ko, kahit na ibahin niyo po yung guidelines, ang pinag-uusapan po dito ay offshore gaming, internet, na siya naman yung nature nitong pagsusugal na to, no? Di ba? So, ito ay pinangungunahan ng mga foreigner na yun nga yung binaban natin, na nag-create siya ng social problems dito sa ating bansa.
Mr. Chairman, ano po ang plano ninyo? Kasi kayo po ang na-mention na magpatupad ng kwan. Would your action be only for those POGOs with licenses? Or would it include all the kinds of POGOs?
I believe this is all-encompassing na po. Sa lahat po ng POGO siya. Na yun, ang amin lang pong jurisdiction ay may lisensya na na-issue namin. Dahil yung pong mga illegal wala na pong lisensya ng PAGCOR yun.
And therefore, they're legal from the very start.
Alin po yung illegal?
Yung illegal na pogos. Yung wala lisensya.
Opo.
So, they should be run after.
Illegal na po yun. Yun
Yes,
po
kaya
ang
from the very
tinutulis-
start.
Opo, from the very start.
Yes. So, yun po yung aking gustong malaman na ano po yung kasi narinig ko kasi kanina sabi po niyo you yourself and the secretary of the DILG will create a task force. Yun po. So, I presume that the one who will head the task force would be the secretary of the Interior and Local Government.
Actually,
Would that be correct?
Yes,
Assumption?
Congressman ako. Nabuo na po last week. Nagpapa-meeting na po si Secretary Abalos noong Sabado po nag-umpisa na. Sa Clark nung umaga at nung hapon ay sa Camp Crame.
Okay. So, all the agencies concerned are already part of the task force.
Where they were all present. DOJ, DOLE, PNP, NBI, nandun po lahat.
Mr. Chairman, ako, nag-aalala na itong mga illegal na pogos pupunta sa mga export processing zones. Kasi matagal yung paggawa ng batas na ma-amend yung batas. Or sila po ay magkakaroon ng kumbaga sa kwan, they will continue operating illegally. Yan ang nakikita ko, having come from the law enforcement sector of this country. Yun po yung kwan. So, I wish you the best of luck in this endeavor to fulfill the order of the President. Marami pong salamat, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Chairman Dan. Thank you, Chairman Ferrer. To my colleagues in the House of Representatives, this is the Speaker's message. The Speaker Ferdinand Martin G. Romualdez on Tuesday directed the House leadership and top secretariat officials to come up with and ensure the swift approval of proposed measures that would give flesh to the directive of our dear President, President Ferdinand Bongbong Romualdez Marcos Jr. to impose a total ban on Philippine offshore gaming operations, POGO, in the Philippines. Speaker Romualdez, at the same time, gave instructions to continue with ongoing congressional investigation on the operation of criminal syndicates responsible for illegal activities linked to POGO in order to unmask their modus operandi and their masterminds. My dear colleagues, immediately after the SONA last night of the President Marcos Jr., I met with the House leaders, kami po nag-meeting kagabi after the SONA, to stop and the top secretariat officials that in his office, I asked them to come up with a proposed legislative measure that will put to a halt all POGO operations in the country effective December 2024 as ordered by the President, and that is the word of our Speaker. This, however, will not stop the ongoing House investigation on the criminal and the other illegal activities linked to POGO. Hopefully, the House can learn from the hearings on their modus operandi and the brains behind these activities as part of inputs of the proposed measures that will be crafting the House leaders. He stressed. Speaker Romualdez was informed by Secretariat officials that there are several House bills and resolutions now pending before the House Committee on Games and Amusement concerning the operations of POGO. This includes House Bill number 5082 filed by Manila Congressman Bienvenido Abante Jr., House Bill number 10525 filed by Makabayan Black Representative Franz Castro, Arlene Brosas, and Raul Daniel Manuel. Also pending at committee level are House Resolution number 503 filed by Rizal, Congressman Fidel Nograles, House Resolution number 119597 filed by Cagayan de Oro, Representative Rufus Rodriguez, House Resolution number 1524 also filed by Makabayan Black, and the privileged speech of OFW Party List Congresswoman Marisa Magsino. Speaker Romualdez said, these measures should be harmonized and should result in the filing of a substitute bill which is acceptable to all stakeholders who participated in the committee hearings. I am requesting all committee chairs concerned to give this is a priority for the House Committee on Public Order and Security to submit their comprehensive report and recommendations to the Committee on Games and Amusement as soon as possible. And for the House Committee on Games and Amusement to come up with the committee report for immediate plenary deliberation, and that is the word of our Speaker. I want all bases in the total POGO band covered in the proposed measures. We have to ensure that the POGO operators will not just resort to guerrilla operators or go undercover. The law must be crafted with ironclad provisions to prevent a resurrection of these criminal and illegal activities, Speaker Romualdez said to us last night. The House Leader explained that a law need to be enacted to ensure that all anti-POGO measures are institutionalized not only during the administration of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. but also beyond his term. Gusto naming maging legacy ito ng Pangulong Marcos Jr. Sisiguruhin ko natin na hindi makakakilos ang mga sindikatong kriminal sa pamamagitan ng POGO at mapapanagot natin sa batas ang mga mastermind at leader ng mga sindikato ito. Yun po ang message ng ating Honorable Speaker, Speaker Ferdinand Gomez Romualdez. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. Magandang hapon. Mr. Chairman, thank you.
At least nakakatuwa dahil we all know na yung pong layunin po ng Presidente, ni Speaker at ng Kongresong ito ay iisa. So, kasi marami nagtatanong sa atin, nag-pronounce na ang Presidente na wala ng POGO. So, tigil na ang inyong hearing. Yun ang akala ninyo. Hindi kami titigil. We have to ferret kung sino talaga ang behind this. And that is very saddening. And concern of each and every one of us. And I think the President have already, and the Speaker, most especially the Speaker, at first pa lang sinabi na niya sa amin na talagang investigahan niyo ito ng mas malalim. And even yung mga illegal na yan, tanggalin. And eventually, sabi niya, kapag nag-pronounce na ang Presidente na tanggalin ang legal, we will follow. But, sabi niya, hanapin natin kung anong pinagmulan nito. And kaya lang dito tayo. Kaya inaabot tayo hanggang gabi dahil nga talagang hahanapin po natin kung sino talaga. Anyway, so yun po yung aming gustong i-present dito, that somehow makita po natin yung mga different links, no, that that needs to be clarified as well by the task force na kanina sinabi ni sino ba nagsabi na, and even Chairman Al, di ba, na magbuo talaga tayo ng isang task force na in order to talagang malaman kung anong punot dulo nito. So doon po tayo patungo.
Ngayon, ikaw bilang Pilipino, ano ang masasabi mo at reaksyon sa balitang ito? Mag-iwan ka ng komento sa ibaba at atin pong babasahin isa-isa.